Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English teacher and today we are going to start our remaining bookwork of April. You have to open your book from the page number 26. Look at the word in the bubble. Save महफूज करना, collect जमा करना, reduce कम करना, serve तकसीम करना, check करना. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the bubbles. The teacher has to dash a lot of homework every day. Check a lot of homework every day. We must dash our pocket money and not spend it on useless thing. We must save our pocket money. Number 3, the monitor will dash the money for the picnic. The monitor will collect the money for the picnic, said the teacher. Number 5, get up quickly, Rehan. They are going to dash breakfast in 5 minutes, said Ali to his friend. They are going to serve breakfast. Number 5, you must exercise and dash your weight. You must exercise and reduce your weight.
Connecting nouns and verbs. You've learned that a noun can be a person, place, or thing. Boy, girl, dog, airplane, sun, tree, grass, flower, cloud, path. Nouns are everywhere. So why are verbs important? Verbs provide the action in any thought or sentence you speak, read, or write. Hey, come back here. Nouns are kind of like a car. It can't go anywhere without gas. Verbs are the gas that causes the action for the noun. You can have the coolest race car, but it can't go anywhere without gas, and nouns can't go anywhere without verbs.
Now we will do the next activity. Make nouns from the verb given below by adding T, I, O, N to them. First word, collect, जमा करना, and its noun is collection, majmua. Number 2, celebrate, manana, and its noun is celebration, जश्न. Number 3, correct, islah करना, correction, islah. Number 4, conserve, महफूज करना, conservation, तहफ़्फ़ुज़. Number 5, pollute, आलूदा करना, and its noun is pollution, आलूदगी. Now students, it's time to assign you a task. Label the parts of this tree and color it. You can take help from help box below and solve it on book page number 28. Now students, we will do the bookwork of the poem The Swing Song, that is on page number 31. Look at the words in the box, match rhyming pairs and write them down. One is done for you. Some may have 2 or more 3 rhyming words. Rhyming words क्या होते हैं? जिनका sound एक जैसा होता है. Number 1, swing, and its rhyming words are sing, wing, king. Number 2 है star, bar, far. Number 3, fly, sky, high. Number 4, slow, low. Number 5, down, town. Number 6, see, freely. Now students, there is an other activity. Tick the right answer. Number 1, the poet feels like dash on the swing. जब शायर झूले पर बैठता है तो वो कैसा महसूस करता है? Like a bird, a star, a king. And the correct answer is a king. Number 2 है as he goes up. जैसा जैसे वो ऊपर जाता है, he compares himself to, वो अपने आप का मुवाजना करता है, to a flower, a bird, a star. And the correct answer is a bird. Number 3, for how long does the poet sit on the swing? शायर कितना टाइम तक झूले पर बैठता है? फ्रॉम सनराइज टिल आफ्टरनून, सूरज निकलने से लेकर दोपहर तक. फ्रॉम सनी स्काई टिल नाइट, चमकते हुए सूरज से लेकर रात तक. फ्रॉम सनराइज टू आफ्टरनून टिल सनसेट एंड अनटिल नाइट सेट्स इन. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, फ्रॉम सनराइज टू आफ्टरनून, सूरज निकलने से लेकर दोपहर तक, टिल सनसेट, ग़ुरूब आफ्ताब तक एंड until नाइट सेट्स इन, यहाँ तक कि रात हो जाती है. When he comes down, जब वो नीचे आता है झूला झूलते हुए, what does the poet do? शायर क्या करता है? He becomes slow, वो आहिस्ता होता है. Moves to and fro, आगे पीछे जाता है. Sweeps daisy with his toes, अपने पाँव की उंगलियों से झाड़ियाँ साफ करता है. He becomes slow. He is slow, moves to and fro, and the correct answer is A. Number 5 है how many things does he fly over? जब वो झूला झूलता है तो किन चीज़ों के ऊपर से उड़ता है? Moon, the sunset and stars, mountain, sea and Lee, everything mentioned in A and B, and the correct answer is C. Now students, this is your task. On page number 33, what is on the tree? Join the dots from 1 to 72 and you will see. As your home task, practice all the activities on your rough binder and also you have to learn it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.